Finally. Oh my God. We're puffing and chuffing here on the 310. I've been going 100 miles an hour, 100%, almost 10 minutes. And the temperature has only gotten to 75 degrees. I have a beta fan. It's a new version of the fan. And it's operating at 3 volts, which is perfect. It's not too hot, not too fast. The temperature is warm inside there at 76 degrees. I am shocked. I mean, it's warm, but it's fine warm. I'd hoped for the result like this, but I'm at 10 minutes now, and it's 76 degrees, and it looks like it's holding. And I think we're going to be okay. So I'm going to turn this off now. You can hear the fan a little bit. There, you can hear it now, right? I'm going to turn the fan off. Let you look at it. The fan is not warm. Nothing is warm. Major changes. And it's, my lighting's terrible because of it. I've molded everything. I can't explain it. I have to show you over on the computer, but I'll do that tomorrow instead. But it's basically the same design. I just made it in different pieces. This piece is molded onto the lid. The motor has its own little flange that it bolts to, and then it bolts into this. This piece bolts on here, but I had to make a coupling here, so I used shrink tubing to make that coupling. And the air still comes out here. It's sucked in here. I've opened this up tremendous. I opened it up twice as wide, so it's got a bigger gulp like. And so it's pulling in the air, it's pushing it out, and the thing is not hot. I mean, they're warm, but they're nowhere near 120 C. It was 76 C after 10 minutes. And that was at full speed. Without motion, if you have motion, you're going to have even more air coming through. So I don't think you're going to be able to understand the differences, but the concept is identical. I just made it more robust in the seams so that there's no air leaks and that the airflow is captured and pushed perfectly out. So that's the difference. And these things, yesterday, my idea was to bolt everything on. It was just too difficult. You couldn't align it. You got noise. The fan wasn't going as fast as it could. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. So I am thrilled. 10 minutes. We started out at 30. I got up to 65. I had 3 volts, full speed. And 7 minutes, it was at 67. And 10 minutes, is at 76. And it wasn't really, it was climbing, but it was just, a degree every few minutes, basically. And the engine wasn't even moving. I mean, it wasn't going down. If you have airflow, there's going to be an improvement. So I'm pretty confident we've got something here. I'm going to rush over there, give you a quick peek, and see what it looks like. Let me get some lights off here. And it sounds like the Ravens are going to score again, thank God. Man, I like the Ravens. I like Kansas City. I just like the Ravens to show for themselves. That's all. Turn off this. Okay. I had set this up so you see. There it is. There it is. Okay. So there's the motor, as you saw it. I'll pull him out of the way. Get him out of the way. Stay there. This is the diffuser, the piece that gets us the airflow out down to the opening. Select him. What's going on here? It's a body. It's a body. It's not selected. That's not what I want. Now we're cooking. Sorry, gang. And there, you see how that goes in? It slips in there. It has a tube that goes around it and a screw there, and that's it. Then, I meant to explain this. The motor has a mount for it now, so let's get it out of the way. I'll show you what that is. I used the same design that I had, well, similar, I'll put it that way. A similar design that I had. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited I can't get this to go. Here we go. Now we're cooking. I want that body, and I want him to come out. Now not you, just you. Okay. He comes out and bolts to the motor like that, okay? So that is an assembly over on this side, right? That's the motor assembly. Now this guy has moved because I didn't tell him to stay there. Okay, now you stay there. Okay, there, he's gonna stay there. Now this is all one piece. Move, body, click it. That is all one piece. It's printed with all the openings, all the stuff in there that I need, and I can show you this way how that's going to work, or how it does work. I mean, it does work. It's not like it's not gonna. It does. It works great. Let's go up here to inspection section. Let's take a cross section. Here we go. Ready? We're going to dive in now. So just keep your eyes open. We're seeing the sides. There's the opening. That's the main opening that goes all the way down. And there's the opening. You see now the opening for the inlet up at the top, that Y looking shape. All right. That goes into that guy. Now there's both openings at the same time. And you'll notice the exhaust now has an extra dimple in the edge. So that gives that air a head start on the way out. Now we got the mounting holes for the motor. And now we're out where the motor and flange, and we've already gone through the fan. The fan fits in this cavity right there. Fan fits in that cavity right there. So you see how the flow is. The big hole comes out, goes to the right and goes over, and the middle hole just is sucking in. So it's just, give me air. It's just sucking in like you just came out of the water and you need air. You suck it up. Big opening right in the center, and the center is like the center of the vortex. And the fan catches that air, sucks it in, pushes it to the outside, pressurizes it, pressure drives it down here and out. So, boom. Uh-oh, something happened in the game. I don't know what. Okay, so that's the story, Morning Glory. I'm feeling 100% better. I thought, but I wasn't happy, but now I'm happy. Okay, that's the game. Gotta go. I'll post this, you guys can see it. Tomorrow we should have a little more. Oh no, tomorrow I have the doctor's appointment. You know, I hate these people, but I have to go. At any rate, I'll talk to you later. Bye.